In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card to your Ticketmaster account. To get started, open the Ticketmaster website in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before you continue, especially if you use more than one email or profile. Once you're signed in, look for your profile or account icon, which is usually located near the top of the page. Click on that to open your account menu. From there, select Payment Options or Wallet. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on the version of the site you're seeing, but both options lead you to the section where your saved payment methods are managed. This is the area where you can add, update, or review the cards connected to your account. Next, click Add Payment Method or Add Card. This will open the form where you can enter your card details. Take your time here and enter everything carefully. You'll need to type in your card number, the cardholder name exactly as it appears on the card, the expiration date, the CVV or security code, and your billing address. As you fill out the form, it's a good idea to double check each field before moving on. Even a small typo in the card number, expiration date, or billing address can prevent the card from being saved successfully. Also, make sure the billing address matches the one your card issuer has on file, since that's often used for verification. Once all the information is entered, review everything for accuracy. This final check is important because it helps you avoid payment issues later when you're trying to buy tickets quickly. If anything looks off, correct it before saving. When you're ready, click Save to add the card to your account. After that, your new payment method should appear in your Ticketmaster wallet or payment options section, showing that it has been added successfully. If the card doesn't save right away, go back and confirm that all the details were entered correctly. In many cases, the issue is just a formatting mistake or a mismatch in billing information. You may also want to make sure your browser is up to date and that the website has fully loaded before trying again. And that's it. That's how to add a credit card to your Ticketmaster account so you can check out faster when you're ready to purchase tickets.